Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the tutorial in the Snapwire application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left, and then click on the settings button. And if you scroll down a bit at the tutorial button, click on that. And as you can see, if you scroll over, you can see the tutorial of how to sell and make photos in this application. And once you're finished, just click on done. And yes, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.